Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing these Plasma Series UAG cases for the OnePlus 7T, and I'll also be giving away one of these cases. So about the giveaway, I'll be talking more about that at the end of the video. Now before we get started, let me just talk about the pricing. UAG also has many other cases for the OnePlus 7T. Personally, I like the Monarch series case, and that's the one I'm currently using for my iPhone 11. So if you want the absolute protection, you can also consider the Monarch series case. Now about these cases, you can buy them on Amazon or even on GreedyTech's official website. By the way, GreedyTech is the official seller of UAG cases in India. And this case in particular, or the Plasma series case for the OnePlus 7T, is currently priced at 1600 rupees. If you buy it on GreedyTech, you can get extra discount up to 7% or even 10% if you follow them on Instagram. So if you want the best price for this case, get it on the GreedyTech's website. Now let me just open these cases. Now that's done. By the way, this is the Plasma series case and it's only available in two colors, ice and ash, and this is the ice color and this over here is the ash color. Out of these two cases, I like the ice one better. That's the transparent one, which can showcase the back of the OnePlus 7T. Now let's have a quick physical overview. So this is how the case looks on the inside. It has this honeycomb pattern on the inside, which is like a trademark feature of UAG cases, which actually provides you drop protection. By the way, this Plasma series case is drop tested, it's military grade certified, and UAG has tested this case by dropping it with a phone at a height of 4 feet for 26 times and it didn't cause any problem. So this case is definitely pretty durable, and it also has this rubber feet on all sides for some extra protection. Now let me just put on the case. So this is how the phone looks with the case on. Because of the transparent back panel, you can see the color of the phone and it does look pretty unique, at least when compared to this ash color. Now for the rear camera, it has a pretty big raised lip. So even when you place your phone directly on its back, camera module is still very well protected. It even has a slightly raised lip for the display. Right now I am using a tempered glass on the phone and still there is a sufficiently big raised lip. So even when you place your phone directly on its face, display is not in contact with the surface. So that's pretty good. As for the buttons, even with the case on, buttons are still nice and clickable, and you also get that nice tactile feel, which is really great. Now let me just remove this case and let's try the ash color. So this is how the phone looks with the ash color Plasma series case, and it looks pretty similar to the ice color on the front. So guys, these are the two UAG Plasma series cases for the OnePlus 7T. If you're looking for something reliable that can offer you drop protection for your amazingly powerful OnePlus 7T, this is something that I can definitely recommend to you. Now to participate in the giveaway, just open the link in the description, follow the instructions, and you're done. I'll pick a winner in a week and let you know the results on Twitter and update it even in the description below this video. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy these cases or the phone itself, links for that are in the description. Do check it out. With that said, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.